Living with natural and stay healthy. Today I discuss the most useful essential oils. You are known already this oil. Some studies have shown it's even an effective treatment for medical conditions dealing with neurological disorders of the nervous system, while others have shown that lavender essential oil can help with insomnia, hair loss, anxiety, stress, and postoperative pain. Number 1. Soothe the nervous system. Studies show that inhaling lavender has a soothing and calming effect on the nervous system, making it a great alternative for alleviating stress, anxiety, depression, and fatigue. Number 2. Relieve nausea. Studies have demonstrated that inhaling lavender scents can relieve feelings of nausea or motion sickness. Number 3 is headaches. Recent research says that inhaling lavender or massaging the oil into the temples, forehead, and neck, especially behind your ears, can treat headaches. Number 4. Improve sleep. Adding a few drops of lavender oil to a diffuser next to your bed at night can help relax the mind and body and improve your overall sleep. Number 5. Heal minor wounds. Applying a dilution of lavender oil and distilled water to a wound can help stimulate cell regeneration and heal the wound faster. Number 6. Alleviate menstrual cramps. Applying lavender oil to the abdomen during your menstrual cycle can help alleviate cramping. Number 7. Relieve its skin or nourish your skin. Lavender is an anti-inflammatory, so it can be used to relieve inflamed and itchy skin caused by eczema or insect bites. It is packed with antioxidants that protect and nourish your skin, making it a perfect addition to any skincare formula. Number 8. Stimulate hair growth and diminish dandruff. Lavender also stimulates blood circulation, so it can greatly improve hair growth when applied to the scalp in an olive oil mixture. I tell people to mix lavender with olive oil and massage it into their scalp to get rid of dandruff and other scalp imbalances. Number 9. Hydrate chapped lips. I love mixing lavender oil with coconut oil for the perfect lip balm to relieve chapped lips. Number 10. Prevent cold sores. Lavender's antimicrobial and antifungal properties make it an excellent choice to combat a cold sore. Number 11. Combat acne. Those same antimicrobial and antibacterial properties mean lavender also can be used to treat an acne flare up or to keep acne to bay. Number 12. Minimize sunspots. Consistently using an oil with lavender in the formula can minimize the appearances of sunspots. You can use lavender oil as fragrance. It has a delightful floral yet clean scent, so using it as a fragrance is a great natural choice. If you need any of these oils or other essential oils, please visit our Amazon store. Link in the description box.